developed by Dustin Fan. I'm gonna go skip ahead. I've already cloned this and renamed it as 12 underscore service worker, etc. And let's try to move on from here. It says there to do npm install, but navigate first to the bookstore. So let me just go to the bookstore first. Let me open that up. Now I'm in the bookstore. This is our front-end application. It says here to do npm install to install all the dependencies. Then open the backend as well. And I should hit npm install. For this one, let's go back to the front end. It says that let's do an npm update. The backend is done as well. Let's do an npm update. And let's commit this to the repo. Add back one more. Let's commit npm installed and updated. Okay. Then let me push that to my repo. Right, that's done. Moving on. Serviceworker registration. Run the following command to register your project with Serviceworker. So I'm thinking I should be going to my project folder first and then going to my front end, which is the Angular application. Clear that up. ng add at Angular pwa. Let's see. Just hit yes for this one. Great. It's updating some of my files. Alright. Host an Angular server on GitHub pages. So to do that, I'll first go to my GitHub. Okay. It says there to create a new repository. Go ahead and click that. And let's see. When I hit new, name your repo in the following format: username.github. All right. I'll just do clark.github.io then. Set your repo public to all, initialize the readme, create repository. Go to your newly created repo, clone and download. Okay, push that here. Then go ahead and clone that. Grab my terminal. So in my terminal, I'm gonna go git clone. That one. All right. Go to your VS Code, open back package.json. Okay, let's head back to this one. Let's go to package.json And what's this? Build ng build. Oh no, this one. Build. All right. Let's do the build GHP. And then let's put ng build prod ampersand GitHub pages. Then this bookstore b master r and GitHub URL. And my GitHub URL would be, going back to that GitHub, this one, and let's go back to my VS Code, GitHub URL, hit it there, this way, and a comma there. Let me double check that one. ng build -- prod ampersand gh dot pages space -d this / bookstore -b master -r with a space and the GitHub URL. No, this is basically the space, the GitHub URL, and then the escape again, and that looks pretty good to me. Now let's do the npm run build GHP. ng build this bookstore -b master - oh, okay, I see it. I had an extra space here. It's save, clear. Command not found, gh.pages. Should have checked this first. Okay, let's Google that one. Well, looks like I need to do this first. npm install -g gh pages -- save -dev. If that works, I just need to add this somewhere here. Did I do it here though? Is it? Okay, let me just run this quickly again while I look at this. Looks like it's gonna work. Let's quickly refresh this one. Awesome, I got my content here. Let me refresh that. Now my question is, access it using that part. There you go. Awesome. Just need to quickly add this. Let me copy something like this and say that install gh pages globally, npm install -g gh.pages save dev. Double check that one. No. Save dev. Go to your VS Code and okay, that's fine. All right. On to the next. Host your Express server on AWS EC2 instance. However, if you don't have HTTPS enabled by default for our server, therefore you need to get an Ssl certificate. Let's encrypt tool. It's free. Okay, I'll go to my AWS console first. Let me sign in before I show you guys. Okay, now let me go to US2 West. Okay. Here. Go to EZ2. Okay, let me launch an instance then. And launch instance. I need to do Ubuntu. Hello Ubuntu. Just need to keep hitting next for this one. Launch. I'll just use my pair. Let's see. Let me double check my keys. Can use a CJ key. Okay. Launch. Okay. It's now provisioning. Let's go to. Let's expand this first. I'll hit refresh. Great. So going down, I should go to the security groups. Allow this inbound to have add more. Let's have an HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, anywhere and anywhere. I'll just hit save for that. Okay, now let's go to select IP here, elastic IP, and then allocate elastic IP address. Say allocate, and once I have that, it just should have this. Allow associate, associate. Okay. And then that one is fine. Reassociated. Choose an instance. I have this one running. Private IP. I'll just use that. Associate. And then we can sign fix electric IP to domain to create shortly. I believe before. Okay, select instances on the left pane and copy the IBP4. Copy. Make sure I copied that. Nope. Just grab that then. IBP4 and select instances of left pane, which. Okay, instances. And. Okay, now it has the public IP. Cool. Now we can create a domain and assign its IP address for. Go to noip.com. Let's do this. Let me sign up for this one quickly. Okay, I'm about to do the free sign up. Heading over to my email to check it out. Let me log into my no IP account, as I already confirmed that. Okay. Let's do that later. Okay. Now I'm here. I can create a host name. And let's just use the GitHub username. But before that, how do I get there? Create. I did click create. Hostname in dynamic DNS. Create hostname. Gotcha. Use my GitHub username. Make it easier. And paste the IP address. And create the hostname. Success. Now we can create an express server on the instance. Log into your EC2 instance via PuTTY or command line. I'll try to use my command line for that one. Let's see, keys Clark. I think it's, was it Clark CJ key pen, I think. Ubuntu add, let's say, click that here, and let's see, yes. Okay, now I'm inside of my Ubuntu, EC2 instance. Git clone, URL of your repo, and then the URL of my repo should be, but I don't have it here. So wait. Alright, so because of that, let me go back quickly and see if I have it here. And okay, I have it there, so let me quickly clone that one. So I will clone the whole and just move it elsewhere. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly configure. It might not be the same for you guys. So no, I'm just gonna move CU Capstone 12 bookstore backend. Okay, well, let's make a directory first. Let's do PWA bookstore. Alright, PWA bookstore. So let me just delete that. CU Capstone. I should only have the P. Okay. So first time accessing, yes. So let me do sudo update. Let me do sudo apt install node.js -y. Sudo apt install npm-y. Alright, let's go to this one. npm install, definitely. Alright, go to the source code folder and execute this command to copy env template to .env. Alright, and then I'll go nano.env. Alright, let's see. To add the front end and back end password. Sure, okay. Let me show this elsewhere for now. Let me just grab that one. Nope, not that one. Let's see, let's go quickly check. Open that. Nope. Okay. Let me just copy my env file. Sorry, I can't let you guys see that one. Okay, so right now I'm trying to edit my MongoDB environment variable. I'm currently adding my username. I'm adding my password as well. And then let's see. Front end origin. Let me add my GitHub page URL. So this one, heading back to my env file then. I'll do the https and clarkngo.github.io. Alright, backend port is 8443 and that should be good. So I just hit save. Okay. Alright, I just fixed my env file. Let's start our Express server. Build the code first. npm run build. Let's see. Okay, that should be fine. Let's go to the public folder and no hup node app.js ampersand. Go back to the command line. Okay, let's do this. Sudo wget to download http. Let me just copy that. Okay, that's done. Let's do sudo app key add ngx sign key. Okay, let's go to etc and let's do sudo nano sources.list. Okay, appending this text at the end. So let's add this this one, I guess. Dep http://ngix.org/packages/ubuntu bionic ngx, and then dep src http://org/packages/ubuntu bionic ngx. Hit save it now. Okay, double check. HTTP only. Okay, packages ubuntu bionic ngx. Okay, gotcha. Let's do sudo apt get update to update our ngx software. Done. Sudo apt get install ngx. Let's now start that server. Okay, now we'll generate an Ssl certificate and attach it to the ngx server. Sudo apt get update, and then next is install software properties common, and sudo add app repository universe. Alright, next is ppa cert bot /cert bot. Press enter. Sudo apt get update. Okay, sudo nano, no, not yet, install certbot apt get install certbot /python -certbot ngx y. Sudo nano to update our domain name. Okay, so it says here go to the server name, and it's going to be https://clarkngo.github.io.ttns.net. Comment out the root entry and index entry. Okay, this comments that out, that comments that out. Okay, server name, that's it. Proxy, we need to add a proxy pass. http://localhost 8443. Okay, save that. Double check. Okay, right, let's generate the certificate and have certbot edit your ngx configuration. Let's see. It has suspicious symbols. Oh, sorry, GitHub username. Let's go back there. Let's try that again. Save. Nope. Server name. Let's see again. Let's try this. Server name has suspicious symbols. Oh, okay. Semicolon. Need to go back here and remove these for sure. Okay, I think I have to remove that. And now let me just quickly do this again. Yes. There you go. Attempt to install this existing certificate. Okay, let's just do that then. Redirect option. Alright, congratulations. Let's see next. Let's access our Express server to this URL. So let's try that. https:// Lark.ngo instead of github.io bdns.net. Here. Exist. And now connect the Angular server to the Express server and optimize the Angular server. Let's navigate to the ebook store SRC environment. Where should I access this one? Should be here, right? This is my front end. And it says here to go to my environment source, environment, prod. It's the update the backend host value, this one, to my ddns.net. ddns.net. Save that. Navigate to bookstore source and app. App routing module, and let's say having the catch all. Quickly copy paste this one. Make it. No, just hit this one. Nope. There you go. And just delete this one. All right. It says if path is 404. Let's just load the book form component. Books component, sorry. And then that's for the 404. And for a catch all, we basically would want to have the double asterisk and component to be 404. Redirect 404. Hit save. Navigate to bookstore. Let's run this again and upload that to the GitHub pages. Okay, Looking good. Let's see. Looks like it's done. Let's go to our bookstore. This one. No, this one. Refresh that. Let's try to add a new book. Add a book. Let's just grab a title out there. Copy image for that one. Beginning Angular with TypeScript. ISBN would be 123.123.123. Author would be Greg Lim. Picture URL. See. Image address. No, copy image address. Make that $99. Save. Operation successful. Go back to the bookstore. Nope. So let's just try to add a book. Image. Greg Lim. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2. Angular beginning. Angular with TypeScript. Save. There you go. Works. Let's see. We can test the static asset caching by performing the following steps. From DevTools, application, clear site data, I think, yes. Application, service workers, offline, okay, reload the page. There should not be any books loading because we're offline. Okay. We can now test the catch all route. The 404 slug. Let's go to an invalid. Nope, does not work as well. And just quickly turning that on. Refresh. This is to test the 404 page for this one. And well, let's double check this one. Is that what we really wanted? In my front end. Component routing module, redirect 404, path 404, load books component. Interesting. That should have loaded though, so let me do this. Let's see. 4, 4. Oh well. Something wrong with the pad. Now it's redirecting correctly. Going. So that fixed it. Okay, cool. Okay, now we're done.